Now that you've established your first contact with the customer, it's time to validate and qualify the opportunity. In this stage, you must fully understand the customer's needs and expectations, and how HP can fulfill these requirements. Knowing the competition is vital when entering into a meaningful dialogue with the customer. You should be able to articulate the differences between what competitors offer and how HP stands out against them. To successfully sell the HP Jet Fusion 3D 500 and 300 printers, you should be able to deliver the most beneficial aspects of their value proposition as it relates to your customer. To review, the 500 and 300 value proposition consists of full color capabilities, they're poised for future innovation with many materials in development, they're ideal for prototyping with the ability to produce accurate, functional parts, and print times are a fraction of the competitors. PA12 is the first certified material available to use with the 500 and 300 series, which will be included in the initial rollout of the printer. HP is also working with a variety of third-party vendors to increase the materials and application options available using HP's Open Platform Collaboration and Advancement Certification program. To properly qualify the opportunity, you need to understand what kind of materials the customer requires. PA12 as a material is ideal for customers that need to produce engineering-grade, full-color, quality, functional, and prototyping parts. Robust thermoplastic produces high-density parts with balanced property profiles and strong structures. And it's ideal for color parts like jigs, fixtures, prosthetics, labeling, presentation models, and functional prototypes. Once you've understood the customer's requirements and where HP can provide an opportunity to deliver value to those needs, the next step is to identify the customer pain points. You can use specific customer pain points to present the benefits of HP 3D printing. Common customer pain points might include return on investment, time to market or time to part, supply chain management, the need to produce fully functional 3D parts, complex or expensive 3D printing machines, changing the status quo, operational learning curve. You should also be able to affirm the in-house spending of the customer and their approximate budget at this stage. After this stage of the process, you should know the competitors the customer is interested in or is using currently, how the 500 and 300 series value proposition fits with the customer's need, the customer's pain points, and verification of the customer's budget.